After declining between 1940 and 1980, the number of multi-generational households has been increasing since 1980. The function given here can be used to estimate the number of multi-generational households in country A in millions X years after 1940. In what year were there 50 million multi-generational households? Okay, so here's what we got to do with this one. This is a typical word problem in that they're giving you the function and they're either going to give you the input or the output. In this case, 50 is the output. So you set 50 equal to 0.012x squared minus 0.573x plus 35.725. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation, so I'm going to set it equal to 0, which we like to do with these. Sorry, I'll try and be a little bit neater here. 0.012x squared minus 0.573x minus, oh, that should be 14.275. Let me just double check that real quick. 35.725 minus 50, 14.275. Okay, so remember how we solve quadratics? We could try and factor it. That one's just looking pretty ugly, so I'm going to go right to the quadratic formula. That's another method. Negative b. All right, that's a, b, and c. Negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c. All over 2 times a. Okay, so if I run this through my calculator, which I did just a minute ago, I get two answers, right, because of the plus or minus. And one of those is negative 18.07. And the other one is 65.82. Okay, so this one's out because our model starts at time equals 0. So this is my answer. The only question is, if you read your directions for this particular problem, it says round down to the nearest whole number. So that means we don't usually round down, but I round down according to those directions to 65. And then that would be the year. The question goes, well, let me just bring it up here real quick. The question asks, so we got to round down. So I got 65, and then it's X years after 1940. So the answer is 2005. The reason is because they want to know in what year did it happen. There were 50 million multi-generational households in what year? So that's 65 years since 1940, or 65 plus 1940, which will give you the 2005. And I know the round down part's a little tricky because typically we don't round down, but in this case, those were the directions. So we rounded down that answer of 65.82 to 65.